Hi guys, Housecare plumbing again today. We're gonna cut the concrete, renew one section of the sewer line which are broken. So we're gonna cut here, all the way here to the back here, pass around 3 meters. Yeah, we will see a corrugator, then back there all the PVC. So let's get started. So probably we have to remove this for excavation and then put it back on after. Alright guys, let's smash it out today. So guys, here is a corrugator junction. It is cracked, so we put a new junction in and make a riser there, and then connect back to outside. So guys, Housecare again today. We're fixing the sewer line. Going to join this and make a riser eyeball here. So we've done the backfill, now we drill hole, laying the mesh for concrete. Broken one of the storm pipe, just fixed it. So now we're putting the window back and laying the steel for concrete.